Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to take the writing part of the Turkish placement exam. In order to start, first you need to open the Zoom application. Right click on it and click on Open. On this page, click on Join a Meeting. You need to enter the meeting ID that is shared with you by DİLMER. Now I'm going to enter an example meeting ID here. And also you need to write your full name as it is shown in your ID card. After you write your full name, click here on Join. It will ask you for a passcode. This passcode is also shared with you by DİLMER. After you enter the passcode, click here on Join Meeting. You will see yourself and you will be able to check your webcam. It is important that the webcam shows your whole face. After this step, click on Join with Video and then you will be connected to the meeting. If you see this screen, click on Join with Computer Audio to join. It is important that before the exam, your microphone and your video should be open. You can see the green lines here on the microphone, which means that the microphone is working. And if you see yourself, it means that your webcam is also open. Before the exam, please check that both of these are open. After this, leave this Zoom meeting as it is on the screen and open the configuration file. Right-click on it and click on Open. It will ask you for a password. The password is AYBUDILMER and then the number 1. You can see the password here. It is DİLMER and the number 1. AYBUDILMER and 1. After this, click on Confirm. You will be directed to this screen. You can change the language here to English. Write your username that is shared with you by DİLMER. I'm going to write an example username for me. And write your password here. And click on Login. When you log into this site, again, you can change the language by clicking on the British flag here. Under My Courses, you should see the exam course here. Now your course name may be different, but here you should see the course name for your exam. Click on it to open the course. When you open the course, you will be able to see the exam here. In order to start it, click here. You will be able to see some details of the exam, and in order to start the exam, you should click here on Attempt Quiz Now. After that, again click on Start Attempt. This is the exam part, and you can see the first question here. The writing question here, as you see, is a completion task. There is a statement here, and after this statement, you need to complete using 65 words, but in your level you may need to write fewer or more words. Please read the question carefully. And you need to write your answer here. After you write your answer to this question, there is also another question. And in this question, there are 3 topics given to you. You need to choose one of the topics and write about it here. After you write your answer to the second question, in order to finish the exam, click here on Finish Attempt. During the exam, you can see how much time you have left here at the top of the screen on the right. When you finish, click here on Finish Attempt. And you can see that the answer is saved here. In order to finish the exam completely, click here on Submit All and Finish button. And then click the button again to finish your exam. You will see this page and you will see that the exam state shows it is finished. When you see it, it means that your exam is finished and you can close this application. In order to close it, click here on Terminate Session. And then click on Yes. After your exam is finished, you can also leave the Zoom meeting by clicking here on Leave and then click on Leave Meeting. Good luck in your exams.